by what you mourn, only by the love him leave behind. Babylon, sell every dream, sell every face, sell every name, but truth still free. Every child come with open hands, no hate, no pride, no greed. Them learn all that later. Look how people pass each other with empty eye. Everybody running and nobody seeing. One neighbor cry tonight. The whole street turn up the television. That can't be the way a rich man might wake gold upon him neck, still sleep with fear inside him chest. A poor man with one loaf share half. Who richer tell her every word, carry seed every action, grow tree, plant anger, harvest loneliness, plant kindness, watch generations eat the fruit. Don't lose humanity, trying to fit inside Babylon. The world need more listeners, less judges, more open hands, less closed doors. Still whisper but noise grow louder every day. So quiet your spirit, truth now shout. Truth with patience. One smile change one morning, one heart change one family, one family change one nation. Maybe that is how Jah work all along. I and I still breathing, still open, still choosing love. When the world forget, give thanks. Every sunrise bring another chance. Jah. Hold thy hand before you go. There's one thing I need you to know. Every sunrise, every mile I carry your sweet smile. Though the road carry I far, love still know exactly where you are. Jah guide I and I through every time. Every little heartbeat call your name. Every morning feel the same till I come back to you. All I love belong to you. Oh darling, wait for I. Jah know love never die. When the evening kiss the sky, save one smile for I. Close your eyes, you will see I still walk beside you free. Time can't change what you right. True love always hold on tight. Every road bring I home. You never walk alone. Every little heartbeat call your name. Every morning I feel the same till I destiny. Every little heartbeat calling it, like the sunshine after rain, till I go back to you. All I love belong to you. All I love belong to you. Oh, na 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 na. Morning dew on the cave, river talk to me heart. Footstep firm on the red earth, from me brother, from me start. Soon I climb over hill, ancient drumming at the chest. Every leaf have a message, every breath is a blessing quest. Oh Jah, hear the reason. Oh Jah, guide the way when the world get heavy. Carry me through the day, make the river rise, make the river rise, make the river rise. Wash away the lies, wash away the lies, wash away the lies. Make the river rise, make the river rise. Babylon can't hold me. Babylon can't hold me. Sistren beat on the frame, bongo whisper on the skin. Hand of life in a motion, let the healing song begin. Fire lighting of the night, make the circle grow wide. One love in the chest, whole tribe stand side by side. Oh Jah, hear the reason. Oh Jah, guide the way when the world get heavy. Carry me through the day, make the river rise, make the river rise, make the river rise. Wash away the lies, wash away the lies, wash away the lies. Make the river rise, make the river rise. Babylon can't hold me. Babylon can't hold me. Now you bring the beat a roll, ground shake underfoot. Sweet voice, calliations from the root, from the root. Make the river rise, make the river rise, make the river rise. Wash away the lies, wash away the lies, wash away the lies. Make the river rise. Babylon can't hold me. Babylon can't hold me. forcing, never holding, always finding home. If tomorrow changes everything, let today be honest. If love is meant to stay, it will not fear the passing days. I have nothing left to prove. Only this song is spread, this little light you placed inside me. And if the road should carry me away, may kindness walk beside me, all the same. He hate, who whisper fear before love. Jah never write that story, Babylon teach it. Every day people know the price of everything, yet forget the value of one kind soul. Them build bigger house, higher wall, deeper pocket, still sleep with restless mind. What profit if you gain the whole world, yet lose the peace inside? Jah nah live in pride, Jah nah dwell with greed. Him live where mercy meet true. Look round the flowers, nah compete. Birds nah argue. Who sing the sweetest song? Creation already know how we live together. Only man forget the rhythm. Every smile carry more power than anger. Every open hand stronger than closed fist. Every child deserve a future without fear. Every elder deserve respect before them gone. No color make you more worthy, no title make you more human. One breath move through all of I and I. When you lift another, Jah lift your spirit. When you heal another, part of your heal to truth. Now shout. Now shout. Create patient love, not force love. Stand for maybe the greatest miracle. Now fire from heaven, maybe it begin. When one heart choose compassion instead of judgment. One earth, one people, one creator, one tomorrow. Give thanks while you still have breath. by the weight of his pocket, but by the kindness of his heart. There will be no lasting peace until children learn compassion before competition. The seed of division will keep growing until truth becomes more valuable than profit. The voices of the honest will be drowned by louder lies. Jah never create a chosen color, Jah never draw a chosen border. Only man build fence where love was meant to walk free. So long as one people eat in abundance while another sleep with empty belly, justice remain unfinished. So long as fear become a business piece, remain a stranger. Every nation speak of freedom, yet too many live afraid to speak, to hope, to dream. That cannot be the kingdom Jah intended, until power serve the people instead of people. Serving power, the cry of the humble will never stop rising. But I know Jah plant truth deeper than deception. Love grows stronger than hatred. Mercy outlive revenge. And every sunrise carry another chance for I and I to choose a better road. One earth, one people, one creator, until we remember that the victory already belongs to love. Jah plant our feet on solid ground, even when Babylon made no loud sound. I hear the bird them sing, and I know creation still crown the king. Choose which seed fi born. So why should I? Love can't grow where judgment stay. Open your heart, make light, find a way. Every picnic deserve a smile. Every elder walk more mile. Every stranger could be a brethren I just never meet. Jah write one song, every soul sing one verse. Together we heal what hate did curse. Now follow Babylon illusion. Follow love, follow truth, follow the voice we speak without confusion. Give thanks for the breath, give thanks for the earth. I and I already rich from the day of birth. One fire, one family, one creator, one destiny. nothing missing, just the sound and the road before us, side by side. Through every season, your hand finds mine without a reason. Some things don't need explaining, they simply grow with every sunrise. The world keeps turning, the songs keep changing, still I find my way beside you. The wind remembers every promise we never had to speak aloud. It started with an ordinary moment, a simple smile, a quiet conversation. Somehow my soul recognized what my mind hadn't found yet. I don't pretend to know tomorrow, I only know how peace feels when you are near. If the night grows long, we'll follow the stars. If the road grows steep, we'll lighten each other's burden. No matter where the music carries us, I'll always hear home inside your heartbeat. Dust on my heel, mud on my skirt. Morning was slow till your name stirred the earth. I walked by the cave, past the red clay gate. You stood in the shade like you knew I'd wait. Hold me in the hush, hold me in the sway. One small sign from you when the night gives away. River under smoke, carry me home. River under smoke, don't leave me alone. Hold me, river under smoke, carry me through. River under smoke, I'm still on to you. Drum skin array on the zinc roof line. Your hands on my waist and the world fell behind. Sweet on my tongue, salt in the air. I hear your reply and the rustling cane break there. Hold me in the hush, hold me in the sway. One small sign from you and the night gives way. River under smoke, carry me home. River under smoke, don't leave me alone. Hold me, river under smoke, carry me through. River under smoke, I'm still on to you. If I lose my road, I still know the rest. Call me in the reeds, call me in the rain. I can hear your heart beating through the cane. River under smoke, carry me home. River under smoke, don't
Sail, brother, sail, carry the morning tide. Sail, brother, sail, just stand by your side. Little picnic, wait by the shoreline. Eyes full of hope before sunrise. Mama light one small fire. Pray tonight the net grow higher. Day by day the sea keep teach. Stone by stone, faith within reach. Day by day I and I work with creation, never against. Sail, brother, sail, carry hope ashore. Sail, brother, sail, love always bring more. Hey, brother Jacob, oh, the water run calm this morning. Praise Jah come, hey. Sister Miriam, bread still warm. Share it round, keep every child strong. No man hungry when hearts stay open. No soul lonely when love keeps spoken. The ocean never drink its own water. The mango tree never eat its own fruit. Everything living give before it take. So I and I follow creation way. Yahoo, Yahoo, Yahoo. Sail, brother, sail, no fear on the horizon. Only the sunrise calling. One breeze, one sea, one people.
like the morning touching the sea. Your love set my spirit free. Every little laugh, every little sound lift me higher off the ground. Boy, when you're near, the whole world disappears. I can feel your heartbeat next to mine, like Jah planned this love before all time. In your smile, I can see the morning light holding me, holding me. Everything feels right. In your smile, I find my way every night and every day, darling. Stay close to me. When you're gone, I still hear your melody, like a sweet song following me. Every breeze reminds me of your touch. Boy, I never knew love could mean so much. Closer now, don't let go, let this feeling slowly flow. One embrace, one gentle kiss. I know nothing sweeter than this. In your smile, I can see the morning light holding me, holding me. Everything feels right. Every sunrise finds us new. Every heartbeat leads to you, darling. My love belongs to you. I return to the place where my heart knows before my mind. I drink from rivers that remember my name. The deeper my roots surrender, the wider my spirit grows. Mother Earth, I feel you breathing through my blood. I don't follow the voice of fear, I follow the quiet that flowers inside me. I was searching with open eyes, while my heart was waiting in silence. Jah, teach me the gentle way, not to conquer, only to care, not to possess, only to give. If love is living, let me live it. If love is truth, let me speak it. If love is freedom, let me walk light upon this earth. Every soul is carrying a little flame. Mine grows brighter every time I choose compassion over fear. I don't need to own love, I only need to become a place where love feels at home. I listen before I judge, I pray. Just show I many lessons without one single word. Morning light, never hurry, still it always find the day. So why should I run from peace? Babylon love fast answers. Jah grow slow wisdom. One candle can light another, yet never lose its flame. One kind heart can heal a burden no doctor ever see. Every child, no laughter before sorrow. Every soul, no love before fear. The world teach forgetting, Jah teach remembering. Walk humble, stand honest, leave every place better than you find it. No need to shout, truth carry its own vice. No need to win every battle, better fi keep a clean spirit. When knock off a patience. When darkness call, carry light. When hatred grow, plant mercy. I and I, same journey, different footsteps, same destination. One earth, one sky, one creator, one conscience. Give thanks for today, tomorrow, not promise, but love still choose. I and I, every morning. Before the sunrise, every morning bring a reason to give thanks, Babylon, build wall, Jah build bridge. I know which road I choose, the ocean. Now keep one wave the tree, now keep one fruit creation. Teach sharing every single day. Only man forget the lesson. I and I, now enemy different face. Same spirit, different language, same prayer. When you hurt another, you bruise your own soul. When you lift another, Jah lift. I and I, no crown shine brighter than a humble heart. No riches greater than peace inside. Walk with truth, sleep with peace, rise with purpose. Give thanks before you ask. Love now weak, love now blind. Love is the strongest power Jah ever give. One earth, one people, one heartbeat, one Jah. Forever. Nobody sees where the roots are meeting. Above the ground we spend our whole lives counting branches. The oldest tree never asked the smallest one to become taller. The river doesn't keep a map, still every drop arrives. We build walls inside a garden that never planted any. The soil never learned our language, yet somehow it still knows how to feed us. Maybe freedom is in another road. Maybe freedom is remembering the one beneath your feet. Intuition has no argument, it's simply flowers before the mind finds another question. Mother Earth never called herself the same light. One fire, wearing many names. The river doesn't ask where the rain was born. The mountain doesn't measure who deserves the sun. Why should we? Every heart is a doorway. Every soul remembers hope. The world heals every time we choose understanding instead of fear. Love asks for nothing. It simply grows where kindness is given room. Jah. Keep my hands open, keep my words gentle, keep my spirit free from hatred. If I rise, let me lift another. If I fall, let compassion find me first. One earth, one people, one heartbeat, still becoming the family we have always been. Little darling, don't lose your smile. Heavy days only stay for a little while. Every shadow fade away. Jah already make a brighter day. Open your heart, let it breathe again. After every storm comes a gentle wind. No need to worry, no need to run. Look around, the light has come. Here comes the morning, warm and bright. Here comes the healing, here comes the light. Oh, everything alright. Oh, Jah make it right. Little darling, wipe your eyes. Every blessing wear a new disguise. What felt broken can still grow. Jah always know the road. Every heartbeat find its song, even after night so long. Hold on steady, hold on strong. Love was here all along. Here comes the morning, warm and bright. Here comes the healing, here comes the light. wake up to love.
Before the morning touch the hill, Jah ready, know I name. Before the river meet the sea, Jah ready, show the way. I and I walk with empty hand, yet every day creation feel them again. Look on the sky, no fear. Inside the eagle, look on the tree, no doubt. Inside the root, everything know where it belong. Holy man lose the ancient song. Jah, Jah, Jah. Teach I feel listen before I speak. Teach I feed plants before I seek. The earth now ever turn I away. Every sunrise say try again. Every breeze carry old wisdom. Every raindrop wash new vision. When the fire burn low, fear still glow. When the road grow long, Jah still strong. No chain pon the spirit, no wall pon love, no border pon mercy, no ending pon truth. I and I born fi remember, not fi conquer, born fi heal, not fi divide. So make the drum be steady, make the children laugh free, make the elders rest easy, make the whole creation sing one melody. Give thanks for the sea, give thanks for the rain, give thanks for the breath inside I chest. Jah light never leave. Sometimes I simply forget to look.
Rise again. stars appear. I'll keep this song inside my soul. Jah knows where my feet are leading, and that's enough to make me whole. Lift your head, let your spirit breathe. Leave yesterday where it belongs. Today is waiting, bright and open. Come sing a brand new song. Jah breathe through these bones. Let my heart remember before the world named me. I belong to the earth. Nature is the medicine. Every leaf knows the way. Every river remembers what the mind forgot. Love is not a feeling. Love is the ground we walk on. Love is the sea, the rain, the fire, the sun. The heart is divine. It never learned fear. It only learned silence beneath the noise. Jah is the way, not above us. Within every breath, within every tree, within every living soul. I remember we were never separate. We are the river, we are the forest, we are the song, 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 song. Wipe the tears before they pick me wake. Nobody see the battles she fight every day. Smile on her face, storm in her chest. Still, she tell the little one, everything gonna be alright. Someone love you make the babies. Too few stay fi raise them, that can't be the way. Jah teach every child need more than money. Need a father with open arms. Need a mother who can finally rest. How many women carry the whole world on them shoulder, while somebody call them weak? Nah, that not weak, that's strength, real strength. Respect every mama still standing. Respect every grandma raising another generation. Respect every sister working 2 jobs, then coming home still finding love. Forgive Jah, see every sacrifice, even when the world look away. optional. Tell the girls never believe your value come from somebody else's words. Yeah, already call you worthy. One broken home can break another. One loving home can heal a nation. So if you call yourself a real man, protect the mother, stand with the children, build the future instead of talking about it. One family, one people, one job, and every child deserves to grow knowing love, 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 love. When I wake, I give thanks. Before one word, before one thought, I give thanks. Jah never promised an easy road. Jah only promised I and I now walk alone. Look how the tree share the shade. Look how the river never keep the water for itself. Creation already know the law of love. Only man keep forgetting. Babylon teach separation. Jah teach remembrance. Every child born with clean eyes. Love come first, fear is what them learn. So wash your grave, wash the mountain, speak soft, stand firm. Carry peace everywhere you tread. No need for conquer, no need for prove. The strongest soul is the one who choose love. When hate feel easier, I and I, same breath, same earth, same sunrise. One creator, one family, one destiny. Give thanks. First time you smile upon the whole day change color. Didn't even know love could walk so quiet. No big promise, no big words, just your hand. Find I and everything feel right. Jah know I never ask for riches, only someone with a true heart. Now every morning feel lighter, every road feel shorter when you walk beside her. If rain fall, make it fall. We laugh through every drop. If the sun rise, we When the music play, oh like clothes. Forget the world if you want little while tonight. I don't need anything more, just your heartbeat. Keep time with mine, and I know that's enough.
will call you home. Every sunrise, every night, I keep your smile burning bright. Though the road carry I away, I send my love every day. Every day, I carry love for you. Every night I dream of you till I come back by your side. Keep my heart close to you every day. I belong to you. When the moonlight up the sea, save one little thought for me. Every breeze will touch your face, carry I love to every place. Distance can't change true love. Jah keep watch from above. One heart, one soul, one destiny. Every day I carry love for you. Every night I dream of you till I come back by your side. Keep my heart close to you every day. I'll be true every day. Jah guide I back to you. Ooh, back to you. Back to you. Oh, na 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 na. Bare feet in the red dirt, I hear the old pine breeze. Wind combs through the branches, and the river speaks to me. I came here with my shaking heart. You held it like a drum. Soft light on my forehead said, daughter, you are not alone. Take me deeper, past the fear. Wash me clean. I am here, sacred roots carry me. Sacred roots carry me. I was lost, now I can see. Sacred roots carry me. Carry me. Oh, carry me. Moss on the stone altar, moon gold in the leaves, bird song in the distance like a prayer that never leaves. I lay down my hard words in the hush beside the street, and the night put his warm hand over every broken dream. Take me deeper, past the fear. Wash me clean. I am here, sacred roots carry me.
diamonds.